Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my Boxycharm here and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of it. I haven't opened it yet, so I haven't seen what's in here. Normally I do an unboxing of it and then I do a trying on portion of it, but today I'm kind of running short on time, so I figured I would just test out the products in another video. I'll probably do another chit chat, get ready with me, and I will try the products in that video. So yeah, I feel like everyone knows about Boxycharm, but if you don't, it is a subscription box and you pay $21 a month and they send you 4 to 5 full-size products. And I don't think, there might be tax, I'm not sure. I think there is tax now. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you what I got in my box. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on into this. The box is kind of weird shaped, again, like it's really long. So I'm wondering what's in here that is making it, why they had to have this shape. Here's the card for this month. Very, I don't know, refreshing looking, like it's very fresh. Just looks fresh to me. But of course we have our list of things. There's a list of things in the back. Alright, so first thing I'm seeing is a skincare item, and it is by Elemis, and it is the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Actually, it looks really nice. So yeah, it's just saying that you apply it twice weekly on cleansed skin. It says that there might be a slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. I'm really excited about this. I'm excited to try it out. And this product right here retails for $35. So this right here is already more than the box itself. Right, next thing in here is, I'm assuming, some brushes. And I think these are Luxie brushes. Yeah, Luxie. But let me go ahead and pull these out. I like the handles on these. It's kind of like rustic feeling to me, like you can kind of still see the wood kind of peeking through. I don't know, it just looks different than their normal handles. Like usually they're just kind of, I don't know, like shiny, I guess. See, like this is one of the other brushes that I've gotten before, and it looks different. Alright, so as for the actual brushes, it looks like this one is a large eye blending brush, this one is a foundation brush, and then this one is a precision crease brush, which honestly I'm tired of getting brushes like this because I feel like I get a lot of these flat little brushes, which I mean they're nice to have, but I feel like that's what they send a lot of the time when they send these bundles. But that's just me personally. Alright, and this Luxie set costs $30. I mean, honestly, that's a little pricey in my opinion, but they do feel like good quality brushes. It's just, for 3 brushes, $30 seems a little much. But again, that's just my opinion. Alright, next thing in here is a cleansing, this is going to be a weird name, is Kojin Dew. Can you hear my cat? He's like meowing at me. You want to come say hi? This is my new kitty cat. His name is Thomas O'Malley. And he keeps me very busy because he's like in that age where he's very getting into things, always doing something. Alright, but these are, I believe, makeup wipes. They're spa cleansing water cloths, and they can remove waterproof makeup and then just basically cleansing your face. And there are 10 cloths in here, and this retails for $17. And honestly, I've never heard of this brand. This brand, Kojin Dew, down here. I've never heard of them, so I'm pretty excited to try them out. Alright, and then we have a palette, and this is by Butter London. I really like the packaging. It looks like bamboo, and the flowers on here are beautiful. And then it has a long mirror on it, and then there are the shades. And this retails for $32. Now I'm just gonna swatch a couple. I'm gonna swatch the dark brown that was in here and 2 of the shimmers. That green shimmer did not really swatch very well. There they are. This is the matte, and here are the 2 shimmers. I mean, to be completely honest, they didn't feel super creamy, but I usually don't try not to judge it too harshly on just swatches. Alright, and the last thing that I have in here is by Ofra, and it is a long-lasting liquid lipstick, I believe. Yeah, and this retails for $20. I don't know why they keep sending me colors like this, because I really don't like colors like this, but I guess I'll just go ahead and try it out because I just realized I forgot to put any something on my lips. So I'll go ahead and try this out. Just because I can. Ew, it's a weird feeling. It feels really watery. Do I need to shake it or something? Like, I feel like it's, like I shouldn't have to shake a liquid lipstick, but I wonder if the heat or something kind of did something to it. I guess this color is not horrible. I don't know, what do you guys think? It's not my favorite, and I think I kind of lined my lips a little. I guess the shade is Santorian. Didn't mention the shade name, but there we go. There's that. This retails for $20 if I didn't mention already. All right, and I think that was the last thing. Yep, that was the last thing in here. All right, so now I'm going to tally up everything on my phone, and we will see how much this month's box is worth. The overall value for my box was $134, which is pretty good considering I only paid $21 for it, maybe plus tax. And I think I forgot to mention, but I got variation 5 over here. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys prefer my Boxycharm unboxings like this, if you prefer that I just do the unboxing part and not doing a try on, or if you prefer it if I do a trying on of it after I do the unboxing. Let me know down in the comments what you guys like. But that's gonna do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!